this is my slime kit, which we are going to use to make slime. Now let us understand the science behind the slime. The slime glue has linear polymers, whereas the slime activator solution has borate molecules. When the two are mixed, the borate molecules form a link between the polymers of slime glue. This is all the stuff we will need to make our slime, which I have found in my kit. Let me tell you that what I have got in my kit. I have got 2 bottles of slime glue. I have got a bottle of slime activator. I have got watercolors and a brush. I have got 2 droppers, 1 plastic spatula and 2 wooden spatulas. These are the instructions. Now let us follow it and make slime. We have to take 50 ml of water in the measuring beaker and we have to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. You can even use some other beaker if you don't have this kind. You can even warm it on a gas stove. Now we have to take the plastic spatula and we have to fill it with slime activator. We have to add this slime activator to the beaker with the warm water. We have to stir it for 2 minutes. Now my activator has dissolved completely. Now I have to put it aside and let it stay like that for 20 minutes. Now take 25 ml of water in the beaker and fill the plastic spatula with slime glue. Now we will add the slime glue to the water and mix it well. Another spoon of the slime glue and put it in the water and mix it well again. Now my slime glue dilution is ready. It's so sticky. Now we are going to add color. So I have got some blue color. You can take any color of your choice. I'm going to put a lot of color in it. Now let me just take this out. It's so sticky. Just get it out. Now I'm going to just mix the color in it nicely. This is so fun. So much. Wow, it's so blue. I'm going to add some of this red glitter into it. Now I'm going to stir it so that the glitter just gets mixed. Now we are going to add this 3 ml activator which we made before and put aside. Let us mix it, and remember we have to keep on mixing and when we keep on putting it in, because if we just keep on just putting it in and not stirring, then it would get spoiled. Now my slime is ready. See? It's so sticky. I'll mix it properly. Now I'm going to take this slime out. Oh, this is so sticky. It's not even coming out. Here my slime is. Look, it's so sticky. It just attached the wall. It's so gluey. Look, it's so stretchy. Wow. Whoa. It's like a wobbly jelly. Wobbly, wobbly. It was fun making slime with you guys. Now, see you in my next video.